Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the world of application programming interfaces, or APIs, and exploring the top 5 technologies that are shaping how we build and consume them. Get ready to discover the modern technologies that can power your applications. First on our list is representational state transfer, or REST APIs. REST is the most widely adopted architectural style for building web APIs. It leverages standard HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE to perform operations on resources. For example, to retrieve user data, you would use the GET method with a URL like /API/user/123. To create a new user, you would use the POST method with the URL /API/users. The response is commonly formatted as JSON, containing the requested data. Next, let's explore Graph Query Language, or GraphQL. GraphQL is a query language for your API, providing a single endpoint and allowing for flexible data fetching. Instead of multiple endpoints that return fixed data structures, GraphQL enables clients to request specific data they need. Here's an example query. You can request a user with a specific ID, and then specify the fields you want to retrieve, such as name, email, and even related posts with their titles and content. This avoids overfetching of data, which can improve performance. Now let's discuss gRPC. gRPC is a high-performance remote procedure call framework developed by Google. It utilizes protocol buffers as its interface definition language, or IDL, and for serializing structured data. This makes gRPC highly efficient for communication between microservices. Here's an example of a protocol buffer's definition. A service called userService is defined with a method called getUser, which takes a user request and returns a user object. The user object contains an integer ID and a string name. Let's move on to WebSocket APIs. WebSockets provide full duplex communication channels over a single TCP connection, making them ideal for real-time applications and live data streaming. Unlike traditional HTTP requests, which are initiated by the client, WebSockets allow the server to push data to the client in real time. In this JavaScript example, a new WebSocket connection is established, and an onMessage handler is defined to log any data received from the server. The client can also send messages to the server using the send method. Lastly, we have server-sent events, or SSE. Server-sent events enable one-way, server-to-client communication for notifications and live updates. SSE is built on top of HTTP and is simpler to implement than WebSockets for scenarios where only server-to-client data flow is required. This JavaScript example demonstrates how to create a new event source and listen for incoming messages. The onMessage handler parses the JSON data received from the server and logs it to the console. Here is a technology overview. REST is HTTP-based and primarily used for web APIs. GraphQL is based on query language and is used for data fetching. gRPC is a remote procedure call framework and is used for microservices. WebSocket is bidirectional and is used for real-time applications. Server-sent events is a server push and is used for live updates. In conclusion, each API technology serves specific use cases, and the best choice depends on your application requirements. From REST APIs for web services to GraphQL for efficient data fetching, gRPC for high-performance microservices, WebSockets for real-time communication, and server-sent events for live updates, understanding these technologies is crucial for building modern APIs for tomorrow's applications. Thank you. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.